Samsung has once again pushed the boundaries of smartphone innovation with the unveiling of its latest foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This cutting-edge device represents a significant leap forward in foldable technology, offering a compelling blend of power, versatility, and elegance. A visual spectacle. At the heart of the Z Fold 7 lies its stunning display. The device boasts a larger and brighter primary display compared to its predecessor, the Z Fold 6. This immersive viewing experience is ideal for multitasking, content consumption, and gaming. The foldable design allows users to seamlessly transition between compact phone mode and tablet mode, providing unparalleled flexibility. Unmatched performance. Powering the Z Fold 7 is a state-of-the-art processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. Whether you're running demanding apps, playing graphics-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, the device delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness. Enduring power. One of the most significant improvements in the Z Fold 7 is its battery life. Samsung has equipped the device with a larger, more efficient battery, allowing users to enjoy extended usage time without worrying about frequent recharging. This enhanced battery life, coupled with fast-charging technology, ensures that the Z Fold 7 keeps up with your active lifestyle. A refined design. The Z Fold 7 exudes elegance and sophistication with its refined design. The device's sleek and premium build quality is complemented by a range of stylish color options. Samsung has also incorporated advanced durability features to protect the device from accidental drops and scratches. The future of foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just a smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its innovative design, powerful performance, and impressive battery life, Samsung has set a new standard for foldable devices. As the company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, the future of foldable phones looks incredibly promising. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents a significant evolution in the realm of foldable smartphones, building upon the foundation laid by its predecessor, the Z Fold 6. While maintaining the core design philosophy, the Z Fold 7 introduces subtle refinements that enhance both its form and function. The device retains the distinctive squared-off body and the innovative hinge mechanism that allows it to seamlessly transition between a compact smartphone and a versatile tablet. However, the Z Fold 7 boasts a slightly wider form factor compared to its predecessor. This subtle increase in width translates into a more immersive tablet experience, providing ample screen real estate for multitasking, content consumption, and creative endeavors. One of the most striking advancements in the Z Fold 7 is the integration of under-display camera technology on both the internal and cover displays. This groundbreaking innovation eliminates the need for visible camera cutouts, resulting in a more seamless and visually appealing user interface. With under-display cameras, users can capture photos and videos without compromising the integrity of the display. Whether it's capturing a quick selfie on the cover screen or recording a video call on the internal display, the under-display camera technology ensures a truly uninterrupted viewing experience. The Z Fold 7's design philosophy is rooted in providing users with a versatile and powerful device that can adapt to their evolving needs. By refining the form factor and incorporating innovative camera technology, Samsung has once again pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of foldable smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 boasts a sophisticated quad-camera system, strategically positioned to capture stunning images from various perspectives. Two discrete under-display cameras are seamlessly integrated into the expansive internal display, enabling users to capture selfies and video calls with minimal visual disruption. On the rear, a trio of high-resolution sensors takes center stage. The primary 50MP camera excels in low-light conditions and offers exceptional detail and dynamic range. The 12MP ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes and group shots with ease, while the 10MP telephoto lens provides impressive optical zoom capabilities, allowing users to get closer to distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. Compared to its predecessor, the Z Fold 6, the Z Fold 7's camera system has undergone significant enhancements. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses have been upgraded to deliver superior zoom performance and sharper image clarity, elevating the overall photography experience to new heights.